Welcome to Deep Into Finance family. We appreciate you being here with us. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends and family, and stay up to date to our future videos. Foreclosure is a legal process by which a lender attempts to recover the amount owed on a defaulted loan by taking possession of the property used as collateral for the loan. The most common type of foreclosure is a mortgage foreclosure, where a homeowner defaults on their mortgage payments and the lender takes steps to sell the property in order to recoup the outstanding balance. Here are some key facts about foreclosures. Foreclosure process. The foreclosure process varies depending on the state in which the property is located. In general, the foreclosure process begins when the homeowner falls behind on mortgage payments. The lender will then file a notice of default, which is a legal document that indicates that the borrower is in default and that the lender intends to pursue foreclosure, pre-foreclosure, before a home goes into foreclosure. There is typically a period of time where the homeowner is in default but the foreclosure process has not yet started. This period is known as pre-foreclosure, and during this time, the homeowner may be able to negotiate with the lender to avoid foreclosure. Auction sale. If the lender is unable to work out a payment plan or other arrangement with the homeowner, the property will be sold at a foreclosure auction. At the auction, the property is sold to the highest bidder, typically for a price that is significantly below the market value of the home. Deficiency judgment. In some cases, the proceeds from the sale of the property may not be enough to cover the outstanding balance on the loan. When this happens, the lender may be able to seek a deficiency judgment against the borrower, which means that the borrower is responsible for paying the difference between the sale price of the property and the outstanding balance on the loan. Impact on credit score. Foreclosure can have a significant negative impact on a homeowner's credit score, making it more difficult to obtain credit in the future. Ways to avoid foreclosure. Homeowners who are struggling to make their mortgage payments may be able to avoid foreclosure by working with their lender to negotiate a loan modification or other payment plan. Other options may include selling the property, refinancing the mortgage, or seeking assistance from a housing counseling agency. It is important to note that foreclosure laws and procedures can vary widely depending on the state and locality. If you are facing foreclosure, it is important to consult with a knowledgeable attorney or housing counselor to understand your rights and options. Foreclosure alternatives. In addition to loan modifications and payment plans, there are other alternatives to foreclosure that homeowners may be able to pursue. These may include a short sale, where the lender agrees to accept less than the full amount owed on the mortgage in exchange for the sale of the property. A deed in lieu of foreclosure, where the homeowner voluntarily transfers ownership of the property to the lender. Or bankruptcy, which may provide a temporary stay on foreclosure proceedings. Impact on communities. Foreclosures can have a negative impact not only on individual homeowners, but also on the surrounding community. Foreclosed properties can become vacant and blighted, leading to decreased property values and increased crime in the area. To address these issues, some communities have implemented programs to encourage the rehabilitation and reuse of foreclosed properties. Foreclosure prevention programs. In response to the foreclosure crisis that began in the late 2000s, many government and nonprofit organizations have developed programs to help homeowners avoid foreclosure. These programs may offer counseling, financial assistance, or other resources to help homeowners stay in their homes. Foreclosure scams. Unfortunately, there are also many scams that target homeowners who are facing foreclosure. These scams may offer to help homeowners save their homes for a fee, but often provide little or no actual assistance. Homeowners should be wary of any unsolicited offers to help with foreclosure, and should always verify the credentials of anyone offering to provide assistance. Foreclosure is a legal process by which a lender attempts to recover the amount owed on a defaulted loan by taking possession of the property used as collateral for the loan. It is important for homeowners who are facing foreclosure to understand their rights and options, and to seek out legitimate resources and assistance to help them avoid or navigate the foreclosure process. Economic impact. Foreclosure can have significant economic impacts beyond the individual homeowner and their community. Widespread foreclosures can lead to a decrease in home values, which can in turn impact the broader economy. In addition, foreclosures can contribute to a decrease in consumer spending and a rise in unemployment. Legal proceedings. Foreclosure is a legal process, and homeowners who are facing foreclosure have the right to defend themselves in court. In some cases, homeowners may be able to challenge the foreclosure on the grounds that the lender did not follow proper procedures, or that the loan itself was predatory or otherwise unfair. Tax implications. Foreclosure can also have tax implications for homeowners. Depending on the circumstances, the forgiven debt resulting from a foreclosure may be considered taxable income, which can result in additional tax liabilities. Timing. The foreclosure process can take several months to a year or more to complete, depending on the state and the specific circumstances of the case. Homeowners who are facing foreclosure should be aware of the timeline in their state and should take action as soon as possible to avoid foreclosure if they wish to keep their home. Real estate investors. Foreclosures can also present opportunities for real estate investors to purchase properties at a discount. However, investors should be aware of the risks and challenges involved in purchasing foreclosed properties, including potential liens, property damage, and other issues. In summary, foreclosure is a complex and often challenging process that can have significant impacts on homeowners, communities, and the broader economy. It is important for homeowners who are facing foreclosure to understand their rights and options, and to seek out resources and assistance to help them navigate the process. Credit implications. Foreclosure can have a serious impact on a homeowner's credit score and ability to obtain credit in the future. Foreclosure can remain on a homeowner's credit report for up to 7 years and can make it difficult or impossible to obtain new credit, such as a mortgage or car loan. Deficiency judgments. In some states, lenders may be able to obtain a deficiency judgment against a homeowner following a foreclosure. A deficiency judgment is a court order requiring the homeowner to pay the difference between the amount owed on the mortgage and the amount received from the sale of the property. Homeowners who are facing foreclosure should be aware of the laws in their state regarding deficiency judgments. Eviction. Following a foreclosure, the new owner of the property may initiate eviction proceedings to remove the former homeowner from the property. Homeowners who are facing foreclosure should be aware of their state's laws regarding eviction and should take steps to prepare for the possibility of eviction if they are unable to keep their home. Communication with the lender. Homeowners who are facing foreclosure should maintain open lines of communication with their lender throughout the process. In some cases, lenders may be willing to work with homeowners to modify the terms of the loan or provide other assistance to help the homeowner avoid foreclosure. Emotional impact. Foreclosure can have a significant emotional impact on homeowners, including feelings of stress, anxiety, and shame. It is important for homeowners to seek out emotional support and resources, such as counseling or support groups, to help them cope with the emotional impact of foreclosure. In conclusion, foreclosure is a complex process that can have significant financial, legal, and emotional impacts on homeowners. It is important for homeowners who are facing foreclosure to be aware of their rights and options, and to seek out resources and assistance to help them navigate the process and avoid or mitigate the negative impacts of foreclosure.